my working group was looking at the role of heritability and genetic factors. What we have found from the systematic reviews that were performed was that there is evidence for a role of heritability in periodontal disease, and this is somewhere between 30 and 50%. In caries, the data is less mature, the field is less mature, but there is evidence that, again, heritability explains around about 50% of the disease. So the question is, well, are these heritable factors the same for both diseases, or are they different? In the periodontal field, for example, looking at genome-wide association studies and looking at candidate gene studies, there was fairly strong evidence for 3 particular gene variants. And what is interesting with those 3 gene variants is they are all associated with inflammatory processes. With caries, the genetic factors were structurally related. So the field was less mature, the evidence was less strong, but they were factors related to the enamel structure, so amelogenin, for example. So to answer the question, were there common genetic factors? No, is the answer. There weren't. So in periodontitis, or in periodontal diseases, we had vitamin D receptor, the Fc gamma receptor, and interleukin 10, inflammation, or vitamin D is structural also, but in caries the factors were different. The factors were related to the structure, to tooth structure, and also to saliva composition, because saliva composition in the caries field is important in terms of buffering against acid production and the demineralization process that take place with caries.